Attorneys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good morning.
You can start checking in, but I want you to check in as your clients are there. If your clients are not there, I don't want you to check in yet. I want the ones whose clients are on the call now to check in first.
Good morning. I'm here with Jalee Paul. We're ready to go.
What's the last name, Paul?
Yes.
Okay. I don't see that. Okay.
We're here for sentencing.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
May I check in?
Yes. Is your client on call? Who's the prosecutor for today?
That'd be me, Michael Tinney.
Thank you. Is anyone else ready with their client on the call?
Yes, Joseph Alex is available for Mr. Javon Gibbons, and Mr. Gibbons is on.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Attorney Dan Mercier checking in on Jeremy Griffin, who's also, I believe, on.
Thank you.
And this is going to be a diversion case.
Okay, Mr. Tenney, do you have anyone that you believe is going to plead today?
I was not informed of anything. Miss McCray gave me a stack of files, and none of them have a note on there, I don't think.
You want to take my email address? So if you need to email me anything?
Sure. Go ahead when you're ready.
Dawn.brown
Okay.
at 3rdcc.org.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Plumpy, is your client on the call?
I don't see it.
Okay, just let me know when he's there.
You see her? Asia Moore. She had some problems getting her pre-sentence ready,
Oh.
so I
just
know
let me
it's not ready.
Okay, so that's why I'm good now. Good morning. So, yeah. Okay. I think I'm a parking space. All right, everybody checked in? Just so far, the ones that the clients are ready. About 3 of them is ready. Okay. Do me a favor. Go up to the computer and check if the ones are in and I'll get it to you too. Okay. Oh, Lord, don't have to work with us. Okay.
All righty.
You have pre-sentence report?
I do. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Who's the clerk today?
I am ready whenever you are.
Okay, Mr. Rocky, you ready?
We're ready, Your Honor. Thank you.
Case number 2020-3098
Mark,
versus
Mark, good
Jayla
morning.
Hall,
Just let me know
Manatee
when
Day
you're ready.
sentencing.
And when I'm ready,
Okay.
And good morning, Your Honor. Michael Tenney for the people, P80071.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Sorokin, PF of Julie Paul.
Good morning. Is the Mr. Paul on the line?
Yes, I'm here.
Morning, Mr. Paul. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning to you too.
All right, this is date and time set for sentencing in this matter. Have the parties had an opportunity to review the pre-sentence investigation report?
Yes, Your Honor, I did review the report with my client this morning. There are no corrections at this time.
People?
No correction for the people, Your Honor. We haven't had a chance to review it.
All right, this, Mr. Paul, do you consent to be sentenced over Zoom?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Yes. Do you consent to be sentenced over Zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I had added some things to the pre-sentence report. Ms. Schoen?
Yes, Judge.
This is the one we sent back because there needed to be, there are some normal requirements that are used in the pre-sentence report that were not here. Was this updated?
You didn't get, let me send it over.
I mean, hold on, let me see if Hope has it. Okay, Ms. Schoen, Hope has it, but
Okay.
the question is, did the parties get it, defense and the people?
That I can't tell you.
I don't believe so, Judge.
All right, Ms. Schoen, can you send it over to them?
Sure. Can you put your email in chat, please?
No, let the probation department send it, because I'm really not sure we're supposed to be sending notes from our courtroom. Okay, I'm just gonna draw you all's attention to the changes that were made were basically the changes under the Department of Correction recommendation. So all you really have to do is look at the page 2. All right, so, we can go back to that as soon as you all get it. Let's call somebody right quick. We have a pre-trial or something we can call calendar conference.
Mr. Alex, you're ready on Gibbons?
I'm ready, Your Honor. I am, and Mr. Gibbons is on.
Case number 21-2344, People versus Javon Gibbons, the matter today for calendar conference. No problem.
Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Tenney for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Felix appearing on behalf of Mr. Gibbons, who is on Zoom, and we consent to this hearing to be conducted via Zoom.
Mr. Gibbons, are you on the call?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, is there an offer from the people?
Yes, Judge, it appears Ms. McCray had sent over a plea form showing a reduced count of obtaining a pistol without a license, 90-day misdemeanor, We would dismiss the original count 1 CCW with a sentence agreement of 1 year probation, switch to telephone reporting after first 6 months. If complying with all terms and conditions of agreement, must forfeit weapon to the arresting agency, must not own, use, possess a firearm during period of probation, and any other terms and conditions set by the court.
All right, defense, are you aware they're over?
I did not want to interrupt Mr. Tenney, but Your Honor, and Mr. Tenney did not want to interrupt him, but there has been a motion for diversion for Mr. Gibbons, and it was sent over to me, and Mr. Heatley indicated he sent it to the court.
Okay, hold on 1 second. I do have a couple of those. Okay, that is correct. The court does have a motion in the order placing defendant on diversion. The court has already signed this order. The review date is May 20th, 2022. So Mr. Gibbons will be placed on diversion.
Thank you, Your Honor. And for the record, I have sent my client a copy of the order and the terms, and also I've indicated per Mr. Heatley, instructed him to email Mr. Heatley Monday or Tuesday of next week.
Okay. Did you hear that, Mr. Gibbons?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you've been given a great opportunity here, so make sure you do everything you need to comply, okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Are we ready on
Thank you,
Paul yet?
Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I may,
Thank you. Hold on 1 second. I'm talking to someone else. Are we ready on Paul yet?
Your Honor, I just received the report, so if you could just give us one more case, I'll call my client and review the rest with them. Thank you.
Okay, that's fine. And again, the changes were made to the second page, or the page under Department of Corrections recommendations.
Yeah, I see him. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Call another case.
Case number 21-2148, People versus Jeremy Griffin, the magistrate of Dayton County Conference.
Appearances?
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Tenney for the people.
good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Daniel Mercer representing Jeremy Griffin.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Griffin on the line?
Yes, I am.
All right, good morning, Mr. Griffin.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, I also have a diversion for Mr. Griffin. I have a motion in order placing defendant on diversion, signed by Mr. Heaphy. The review date is May 20th, 2022. The court has signed it. So, Mr. Griffin, you have been placed on diversion. Make sure, this is a great opportunity, make sure that you comply with everything so that this can be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
No problem.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The only thing left ready is sentencing.
Judge, good morning. This is Sinclair. I'm ready on Sutton when the court is ready. We just need a new date for her.
On who is that?
Said Taya Sutton.
And we're ready at the court's convenience again for Mr. Paul.
Okay, we'll go back to Paul after we do Sutton.
Case number 21-0269, People versus Sataya Sutton, the magistrate of Dayton for final conference.
Appearances? Appearances?
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Tenney for the people.
And good morning, Judge. I'm Christopher Sinclair, 80512, appear with and on behalf of Ms. Sutton, who's present on the screen.
Ms. Sutton, state your name for the record.
Good morning, I'm Sataya Sutton.
Okay, the last time we were here, the people put an offer on the record to plead to count 1, dismiss count 2. There's a sentence agreement. Is that 7-20? In MDOC?
Yes,
Is
Judge.
that right?
That's what it says in the front.
And restitution. So where are we on this?
So Judge, the reason for the last adjournment was that the people had requested medical records for the complaining witness in this case. And of course, I want to see those records as well. I spoke with Ms. McCreary yesterday, and she was saying that they have not come in yet. So we're asking for a new date to allow those records to come in.
Okay. How many matters do we have for June the 11th? Oh, no. June 16th. This is with the prosecutors. 18. June 16th.
Let's check here. Okay, that works for me. Does it work for you, Ms. Sutton?
Yes.
Okay. June 16th.
Okay, Ms. Sutton, we'll see you on June 16th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
This matter is concluded. Have a good day. Hold on 1 second.
Judge, we're ready to check in when you're ready.
Were you asking for me to hold on, Judge?
Okay, you all, we need to, hold on a second. My courtroom is not streaming live on Facebook or YouTube.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
I'm being up here in the also present here tonight.